Welcome to our Lens Showdown. Today, we will dive into the details of two impressive lenses. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 40mm f2, a prime lens known for its large aperture, and the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6, a versatile zoom lens that comes with essential accessories. Let's explore how they stack up against each other in terms of features, performance, and value. When it comes to pricing, the Nikon NIKKOR Z 40mm f/2 is priced at $399, making it a premium option for those seeking a high-quality prime lens. On the other hand, the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 is significantly more affordable at $239, providing great value for those looking for a versatile zoom lens. This price difference can be a crucial factor for budget-conscious photographers. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 40mm f/2 is a prime lens, which means it offers a fixed focal length that excels in low-light conditions and provides stunning image quality with a beautiful bokeh effect. However, it lacks the flexibility of a zoom. In contrast, the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 offers a wide focal range, allowing photographers to capture everything from landscapes to wildlife without changing lenses. This makes it a more versatile option for varied shooting scenarios. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 40mm f/2 comes as a standalone lens, which may require additional purchases for accessories. In contrast, the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 is bundled with a UV filter, lens cap keeper, and a cleaning kit, providing photographers with essential tools right out of the box. This added value can enhance the overall experience for users who want to start shooting immediately. In conclusion, both the Nikon NIKKOR Z 40mm f/2 and the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 have their unique strengths. The Nikon lens offers exceptional image quality and low-light performance, while the Canon lens provides versatility and great value with its included accessories. Depending on your photography needs and budget, either lens could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.